guys, welcome to Flawless with me. I'm Queen Esther, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your very own half-cast oil. Yes, as the name implies, half-cast oil. Not only is this oil right using, it also makes you glow. You see this, this flawless skin, and you know that, yeah. So before we move into the video, but practical sections, please, if you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to the family. And click the notification button to get to be among the first persons like video whenever I post. Trust me, you are going to be very, very, very helpful. Guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our half cast oil. One of the main ingredients is our beauty series. Beauty series helps in fading scars and it softens the skin, plus it whitens the skin too. Then the next we'll be using is our jojoba oil. Jojoba oils help in moisturizing the skin. It keeps moisture to the skin, same as our vitamin E capsules. Yes, it's very good for the skin. Yes. Then the next we'll be needing is our shenic oil. Shenic oil gives you this gorgeous skin. It helps prevent green veins and the rest. Yeah, that's why we are including it there. Then this is our main component, which is nano half-cast whitening serum. Yes, this will help in whitening the skin. Then we need our almond oil. Almond oil helps in increasing the skin elasticity. Yes, almond oil is very good for the skin. Then our kenako helps in preventing skin damage, spider veins, and so on and so forth. It's very nice. Then our isopropyl rubbing alcohol. This is what we'll be using in sterilizing everything we are going to use, even the bottles that contains ingredients. The bowl we'll be using, ceramic bowl rather, will be using, yes, will be sterilized. Our measuring cup will be sterilized. Measuring spoons also will be sterilized, including my hands. We want to have this baby feel, baby like skin. Yes, beauty series is for you, and you also whiten the skin. Yeah, it's very good. We'll be needing half cup of our beauty series. Yes, coconut oil will be included. We'll be needing coconut oil. Now we have our sterilized bowl. Yes, so it is ready for use. So this is our beauty series, and we'll be needing our beauty series is one of the main ingredients, one of the main constituents of the oil. Yes, as I said before, beauty series help in softening the skin. Yes, so it's actually very we'll be needing 1/8 cup, which is 31 mils, equivalent to 31 mils of coconut oil. Did I mention what coconut oil can do for you? Coconut oil is actually very nice for the skin. It's very, very, very good. It will help in making your skin glow. Yes. We'll be needing next 1 tablespoon, which is equivalent to 15 mils of almond oil. One tablespoon. This is the difference between tablespoon and teaspoon. Next is our jojoba. Yes, so we'll be using some measurement. 1 tablespoon, which is equivalent to 15 mils of amanti oil. Yes, that's it. See how nice everything is. And trust me, you'll like it. We'll be needing the next to be our Halfcast oil, our nano white Halfcast oil. Yes, as you can see what I'm doing, still with the same 1 tablespoon, which is equivalent to 15 mils. Yes, 1 tablespoon of Halfcast oil serum rather. Next is our chemical oil. Our chemical oil, I know I have said what it can do for you. Yes, we'll be needing 1 tablespoon too. 1 tablespoonful. capsules. It's in liquid form. I'm needing 6 of them, then 6 capsules with 6 capsules. Vitamin E oil will do a lot of good for you. Vitamin E oil, it's actually a very, very nice oil that you should not do without. Yes. Stir, keep stirring till everything is well blended. Just keep stirring. Right now you can see that there are some kind of separations between the oil. Yes, it's not really blended as one, so you just have to keep stirring. You can use your hand blender or your stick blender, yes, to blend this till it's finely blended, but at the same time you can still use your spoon. Yeah, you can see it now. Just keep blending. Now this oil will do you wow. You'll be shocked at the result of what this can do. So guys, I went ahead and transferred the Halfcast oil into a bottle or a container. This is how it looks like. It's beautiful. It's lovely. This will do a lot of good for your skin. It won't only lighten you, it will also make you glow. But please note, this is different from the glowing oil. And if you like to see how to make a glowing oil and glow, you should please comment in the comment section. This will lighten you. It's a very safe method to lighten your skin. It won't damage your skin. Please feel free to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, see you in the next. Stay blessed. Do you have to subscribe? Please don't forget.